What's up, party people? Just wanted to pop in and talk with you guys for a few minutes. This video is more for me than it is for you, so thank you for watching and listening and hearing me. Today is one of those kind of days where when it rains, it pours. I got up this morning earlier. I don't go to work till later today, but I got up earlier to start getting some stuff done, you know, chores around the house or run some errands, whatever. And things just started, a little bit of rain, metaphorically speaking, you know what I'm saying? And then it got worse and worse, and it's just been a miserable day, a cluster of a day. This is one of those days where it just rains and it pours, and it's ending up to be a terrible day. Nothing life-alteringly bad, nothing like a serious car accident or somebody I know went to jail, nothing like that, but just some really bummer, downer things that I'm gonna have 3 or 4 in a row, just boom, 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 that I'm gonna have to deal with. And it just really got me super down for a little while. And I was just like, I just want to crawl back in bed, go to bed and not deal with today, but I can't. I gotta go to work and I can't call out. I have to go to work, have to deal with it. I'm actually sitting at the at a shop right now. My car's being worked on. That's one of the things that happened, but some other things too. And I was just like, I don't care. I'm just going to call out. I'm just going to crawl under a rock somewhere and die. Not really, but I was just like, I can't deal with this. So I guess my lesson and my encouragement to you is when you have one of these kind of days when it's just raining and you feel like everything's coming crashing down on you, man, just take one day at a time, take one step at a time, breathe. That's kind of what I had to do. I had to breathe. And after the initial shock of everything that happened, I was like, all right, this thing is not that bad, I can deal with it. This thing is not that bad, I can deal with it. Each thing individually isn't that bad, I can deal with it. But when you put them all together, it's just an overwhelming nightmare. And so it really put me into a bad funk. But I'm going to shake out of it, just to encourage you to, don't let things get you down. Things, you get knocked down, you get back up again, right? And that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to shake it off. Tomorrow I'm planning on going and having a great time at Universal Studios, and I go check out Mardi Gras with my wife and some other friends, and we're gonna have fun. But sometimes life gets you down. Don't let life hold you down, because life's too short. Enjoy life, do your best, be the best person you can, and that's it. Thanks for listening. It really means a lot to me. And remember, wasi na hofu is Swahili for they who have no fear. Hurry back.